I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked for the carrier you'll use. Once done, get the carrier's QR code or manual activation details, SMDP plus an activation code, and keep them accessible. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the phone battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Now open the device's cellular or mobile data settings and choose Add Mobile Plan. This begins the eSIM provisioning sequence with the carrier. You will now scan the carrier's QR code, or if prompted, enter the SMDP plus address and activation code manually. This tells the device which profile to download. Once the profile appears, assign a label like Work or Personal and choose whether this eSIM will be your primary data line or a secondary line for calls and texts. Then confirm download and allow the phone to provision the profile. Provisioning can take a few minutes, so stay on the screen until you see a success or activation message. To finish, enable the new eSIM plan in your cellular settings and choose default options for voice, SMS, and cellular data. Make sure data roaming or network preferences match your needs. Once enabled, test by making a call or loading a web page. If the network doesn't appear, restart the device and check APN settings. If that fails, delete the eSIM profile and rescan the QR or use manual details. And contact the carrier if provisioning still won't complete. This single tip solves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.